why should I replace my spark plugs? It's a good question, and another part of that is how often should I do it? So let's start with how often. How often totally matters on the vehicle that you're driving. So a Chevy might be at 100,000 and a Subaru might be at 60,000. So look up in your owner's manual, it'll tell you how often to change the spark plugs. You definitely want to be on the early side of that, because as they start to wear down, you're losing fuel economy, you're clogging the catalytic converter, things like that. So, and then when what should they look like, and when do I want to replace them? The reason you replace them is they wear down. So you can see I got a new spark plug here in my right hand and an old one in my left hand. So this one, you can see there's no tip on that, where this one has a big tip on the top of the electrode. So what that does is over time, that as that tip wears, the gap gets bigger and the fuel goes through and doesn't burn. So now you're taking all that raw fuel that isn't sparking and it's clogging your catalytic converter, and you're losing your fuel economy. So you're gonna basically be literally flushing money right through your exhaust pipe, because it's gonna go through there and burn instead of actually being used in the engine. Also causes damage. So we recommend having them checked out. If you're unsure if they've been replaced and your mileage is higher than the manufacturer, have us pull a spark plug if it's accessible, and we can tell you what you need to do with it. So any questions over here on any tune-up or spark plug related issues, give us a call at Carz Rust in Machesney Park.
877-4277